Good morning, the 1st of March, the first breath of spring, a time of renewal in nature. Throughout the year, we meet here each morning to open Advent's embrace, our gentle and inspired forecast for the day. Our categories remain constant throughout the year. Wisdom of the day, depth of philosophy. We reflect, discuss, and draw inspiration. Power of the word, a tool for training and rewiring our brain. Eureka effect, scientific insights that can be useful for everyone. Light of the heart, a space of imagination and sincere wishes. And the Ingenuity Workshop, practical advice tested by experience. Today we welcome the first spring sunlight with a special wisdom. Today's message sounds like this: when the path is exhausted, transform yourself. When you transform, you move forward. When you move forward, you endure. This wisdom comes from the ancient book of changes. The world has no static states. It is a continuous flow of transformation. Even the most difficult situation is not eternal. A dead end is not the end. It is a point of maximum tension before a turning point. The only thing we truly control is our inner transformation. When old methods stop working, it is a signal that growth is required. If we resist change, we break. If we change, the wall becomes transparent. If you are in such a place now, try this practice. Find the strengths within yourself to thank this situation for drawing your attention to something important. Thank yourself for already being ready for change. Ask yourself, what thoughts and beliefs have brought me to this point? To make space for the new, we need to release the old version of ourselves. Our expectations, resentments, and fears. To forgive, to expect ourselves and our experience, and to allow ourselves to move forward. Sometimes the path ahead asks us to become someone with more knowledge, more patience, or more courage. And you will begin to feel this transformation gradually. Change always requires time and awareness. Do not rush. We are learning to synchronize our inner change with the rhythm of the universe. And when we do, the path becomes clear. Support yourself. You are exactly where you need to be to continue your blooming. Have a mindful day. Your advance embrace.